समय को भी तलाश है। ये गिट्टी तुझसे बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ramsha and I am here to express my views about my young India and developed India by 2047. In order to develop India, we need to categorize the vectors into three sectors: developed, underdeveloped and developing. It will help us to know which factors need to develop more and which factors does not need to develop more. Abraham Lincoln said, if you will give me 8 hours to chop a tree, I will utilize my 6 hours in sharpening the axe. This is the proper utilization of time and energy. The same thing we need to do in the development of a country. We need to utilize our time and energy at the appropriate direction by which India can grow rapidly. The base of a developed country is its people. If the ideology is people is developed, then India will develop rapidly in a short period. We are having a short time and we are to develop in a such short time. We need to develop the ideology of people living in India, and the ideology of people living in India can be developed through education. If the people living in India are provided education, then there are many benefits of this thing. The literacy rate of India will increase, the people will become educated and they will be very far from corruption. Gandhiji believed that if employment is provided to the people living in India, then India will grow rapidly and the people of India will become self-dependent. Considering this thing, an act called MG Narega by the government in 2005 was introduced to provide employment in rural areas. Under this act, the people living in rural areas were provided 100 days employment, and if government failed in doing such, then the government used to provide assurance. We still need to focus on these things by which we can grow, by which we can develop. We need to grow in such a way so that our future generation could also complete their requirements. We need to complete the requirements of present generation as well as future generation. We need to develop sustainable. We need to do sustainable development. We have to complete the requirements of present generation without compromising the needs of future generation. This can be done by providing equity to the people living in India. The poor sections and the rich sections, we have been known by this discrimination from our childhood. We need to end this discrimination so that we can provide equity to the people living in India. If equity is provided, then if India will grow, if the economic growth of India will grow, then both the sections, rich and poor, will have benefit. If today the economic growth of India is increased, then most of the wealth is owned by the rich people. The poor sections do not have any benefit. We should develop in such a way so that people belonging to any caste, people belonging to any class, people belonging to rich section or poor section should develop. We should also focus on the things, conservation of forest and wildlife. Many countries have developed, but from their data it is shown that if they have developed, then they have harmed their forest and wildlife. We also need to focus on the development of forest and wildlife. We even do not think about the conservation. We need to think about the conservation of forest and wildlife, and we need to focus on the development of forest and wildlife. This will help to become a modern India. This will help to develop our India. By doing this thing, we can save our biodiversity and we can provide best facilities to the people living in India. If we focus on the development, we mainly focus on the human species. But except human, there are many species living on earth and living in India. We need to focus them. If we are talking about healthcare facilities, then healthcare facilities should also be provided to the animals so they can be secured, so that they can be safe. Healthcare facilities should be provided to the animals so that they can survive in a best way. स्वस्थ बनेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. We need to focus on the things to develop. We need to focus on the infrastructure of India. If infrastructure of a country is developed, then the people will get employment. The infrastructure of India will develop and the people living in India will have benefit from the increased infrastructure. We need to focus on all the aspects. We need to focus on the poor section, we need to focus on the rich section. We also need to focus on the people. We also need to focus on the children. If from the childhood children are taught good things, if children are taught the development, then it will help us to enhance This will help our India to enhance. The thing you remember by the title, My Young India. The young world represent that the young youth are the future of our generation. The future generation is totally dependent on the youth. If any work is to be done, then that is given to the youth. As we can take the example of Joseph Mazzini. He said, if you want to start the work and if you want to develop country, then give the chance to youth. They can develop the country very well. I conclude, Se Gachuam, Se Vadhuam, Sambo Manasi Jantam. Let us work together. Let us mind be united. Let us develop together. Thank you. Have a nice day.